Alright, if you have a motorized bed, this is one thing to be aware of. Right now the meter is placed on top of where the motor sits underneath, and we're looking at the magnetic field component, which is the most concerning here biologically speaking. And you can see it's about 6 milligauss, which is extremely high. For a sleeping area like this, we'd like it to be closer to 0.2. So just to prove the effect, I'm going to go over here and unplug the bed, and we'll see this field change. Alright, so it's unplugged, and now we have hit that magic number of 20 or 0.2 milligauss. So in this case, if the motorized bed has to stay, then you're going to need to look into some pretty high-end alloy shielding material to lay under the mattress. And if you have questions about that, hit me up. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe and leave a comment.